I'm gonna buy pandesal.
Hindi siya sanay maglakad.
Susunod na bibili.
Tapos ganito.
Paano?
Yeah, dito baso.
Yes.
Baso.
Oh.
Laki.
Oh yeah, it's Spider-Man.
Go. Yeah, yum.
Okay na yan.
Sausaw kape.
Nakatulog pa.
Ito ngayon, ito.
Dito!
Eggplant torta. Uy! Uy! Chef? So fast.
Okay.
Sarap. Thanks, chef.
Babies ko. Sino pa man?
Boom, boom. Wow.
Sir Dan.
Ay, ew.
Kakainin mo yan.
Fishball. At gulaman? Ang di ba na TV? Samporado. Thank you. You're welcome. Broken heart, because I'm broken. Aww. Hey! Jervin.
Read it.
Over there, using the Wi-Fi. Hi, Jervin. Good morning.
Yellow.
Yellow? What are you
Yellow.
doing?
Playing Roblox.
Okay. Update on my legs. They're so bad.
Oh.
I got hickeys from bugs.
I don't get hickeys from bugs.
Oh, so itchy.
Hindi ko nga po alam po na set
Kapagkata ka ba nun?
nung time po na
Oo, kapag...
Yum!
Ito, aminin natin ito. Total, wala na yun. Tapos na yun. Nakarating.
why are you filming, Mama? Shoot people.
Sarap!
Yun na lang ah.
Sarap?
Wala bang version doon namin?
Where are we going?
Mom!
Mall!
Ito yung ano.
We're finally going out and about. The rain's over.
Sabi ko, asan sa
My girlfriend.
Tuloy ako ng bago.
We're inside a tricycle. We're in the elevator. Where are we? Sa Fairview?
As a preview.
Say hi.
Hello.
Me too, me too.
We just finished the karaoke. We sang our feelings out, but my voice is gone.
Ay, tikot-tikot muna tayo.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go look for food. Pagkain. What to eat? What to eat?
Sa tangi.
Ito, kasama na itong lalagyanan.
Oo.
Magkano
May
to?
syrup pa nga yun eh, hindi ko lang nilagyan.
Magkano to?
75. Tapos yung isang...
I saw a cute guy. Took a picture with him. Going to the 3rd floor. Ah! I'm kidding. SM, no. Fairview. Fairview Terrace. Terraces. So pretty. So pretty. Pretty. Uy.
Uy! Ito yun, Jen. Biglang tumaas eh. Tara na.
Ano na?
Oo, IG. Uy, may kilogram ako. Gusto mo ko ipalo?
I don't know this guy. It's me.
Hindi kita.
Traffic. Oh no, traffic. Bye, SM. See you next time.
Si Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean. Ano?
Hindi mo na-appreciate yung pag-ibig.
Hala, nabasa ako.
Wala.
What's this?
Sa boobs mo.
Ayan.
Balot.
Palot. Nabasa ako.
Wala.
Hala. Sige mo.
Ay, I'm sipping na sabaw. Ay,
Pwede na SIM card natin na may ano,
Oh, my
may
towel.
wifi.
ay,
Pops.
bugs. Look at my legs. Oh my god, it's so bad.
Ang dami. Yun na.
Ayan na.
Tagalin mo kasi.
Soup.
Hindi siya ano.
Okay.
Hindi siya dapat.
Stop laughing at me.
You like it, Jed?
Yeah.
Ah. Tomorrow you will eat dog.
I'm gonna eat dog.
Dogs too.
Oh my gosh. That is such a stereotype. Filipinos eating dog.
Bayawa.
Palaka.
Palaka? Oh, I like palaka.
Sarap.
The legs. Fertilized duck egg. Yum.
Hindi para
Wait, so which part do I eat?
Tagalin mo.
Oh, ito. Ano yan?
Bato.
Why is there bato? Why is there a rock inside? Look at it!
Vinegar.
Look at it!
Si Kuya Tuto, nakakainis ka
Sarap!
Ang lasa na parang kumakain ng masin. Ay, naku, sinumpa ko sa kanila.
Yum! Suka! Balot! Balot!
Ang lasa, sabi ko pati luto, hindi masarap.
Kalat.
Ang lasa. Oh.
Ugh. I did it.
See?
Sarap!